how to recover TikTok streak. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I'll guide you through the steps to recover your TikTok streak. Let's dive right in. First, open your TikTok app and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on the top. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Report a Problem. Tap on it. Now, before I move on to the next step, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now, tap on Report. Now you can tap on anything. You can tap on report an account, report a video, or report sound or challenge, or you can just go ahead and tap on chat with us. And there you'll see what do you need help with. Tap on the message bar, and if you lost the streak due to a bug or a glitch or due to a genuine reason, you'll have to explain it to them and ask them to restore your streak. And that's it. TikTok will get back to you in around 24 hours and help you restore your streak if you give a genuine reason. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.